Okay guys, once again from home, come from my bathroom. Another open box. Of course the box already open. I always do. And I got myself one of this. It's supposed to be a mop and bucket set from Amazon. And this is the brand. And already opened it up in my bathroom, ready to do some cleaning. So I got this pretty much for the bathroom area because the apartment is pretty much carpet. So I got this for the bathroom area to make it a little quicker. And it comes looking like this. Let me take it out. And just a quick run through of what this looks like. So it's supposed to be like a wet and dry. You put the water on one side and then you dry on the other side. And I guess this is the side to dry, I'm assuming, because I just pulled it out the box pretty much. So, and it comes with Velcro to keep the padding attached to it. And it does come with a few pads, which is kind of nice. And yes, I think this is a side that actually does do the drying with the teeth. So I don't know how to get this open yet. Oh yeah, no, yes, it does have the side. I do apologize. So dry, and I guess this is the wet side. So because it does say dry, which is good, because I didn't even know. I was assuming, but I assumed right the first time around. So this one, it doesn't. This one it do. So it does have a hole where you can empty the water, which is perfect. So you don't have to actually tip the bucket over and do that. And I'm trying to actually get the pads out. And when I say pad, I mean the pad for the mop, not pads for the ladies, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. They sent it with 4 extra pads, which is good. That's why I actually got it, because they came with 4 extras. And these I've got, there was about, I'm sorry, rambling. They were about approximately $20 on Amazon. And not too bad for this brand. And there are a lot of reviews on different types, so I'm gonna actually try it out. Comes with a little handle. It's not too big, which is cool. It's not too big, because I was trying to figure out how big and tall it was. It's actually pretty much a good size, which means that it's not going to be heavy to carry around. And the rods, let me see where the rods are. They're inside the box itself. So the rods are in the bag. It's pretty much unmountable. You can unscrew them. They are metal. They're in the bubble bag. I'm trying to take it out, but I'm trying to do my mopping too at the same time. I was like, shouldn't I do a video? But I'm going to do a quick one anyways. So it does have a plastic connector to screw on to connect each. Okay, so I got it out. It does come with its booklet, of course, in the box. And the metal rods are pretty light. They come with rubber grips and also a hook where you can hang it if you have a closet. But as I said, you can also unmount it and pretty much stick it in a corner. So if you like have an apartment or a studio in New York, this is pretty perfect for you, for persons who don't have much space. So yeah, it's lightweight, it's not heavy, and pretty much there's not much to really show when it comes to this. So guys, I'll catch you later. I'm out. It's time to clean.